Everybody has some shade to deal with, right? What do you grow in it? Well, this year I did some experimenting. I thought, hey, why don't we do a container for the shade and use all perennials in it? Perennials you can plant in the garden later, or if you live in a fairly mild part of the country, you can leave them in the containers all winter long. So let's just take a look at what we did and how we started. They were small plants, but it looked pretty good when we first started. Now here in late summer, you can see it's still looking really great. Just take a look at the plants today. You've got the tall and spiky. It's gotten really tall and spiky with the blooms in the way of the hosta. And then here on the side, we've got this beautiful autumn fern with its bronze leaves. And then for textural contrast, we've got the acorus grass here. This one's called ogon. We've got the heuchera that I just cut back the blooms on it. Has almost a maple leaf kind of foliage, and it also echoes the bronze that we see here in the autumn fern. And then to cascade down off the side is our old friend Creeping Jenny with that beautiful chartreuse color. Now because she's been in the shade, the Creeping Jenny isn't quite as chartreuse, nor is the ogon grass if they got half-day sun, and this planting could get half-day sun. All right, now we're in midsummer, right? So the hosta have just about finished. So what I'm gonna do is, even though these blooms are slightly fragrant, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the blooms out, kind of dress this container up, because I've enjoyed the flowers, and now that grooms it and gives it a haircut and a great look as it moves into fall. If you're thinking about containers for shade, think about using perennials. We've always got lots of ideas on our website, so check it out.